Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today again here I am with a very new trick and a very unique trick. So guys, you guys must be thinking that why I have opened this Instagram account in the home page of this video. So guys, basically today's video is all about Instagram likes, followers and shares. Suppose you want to increase your Instagram followers or your Instagram likes, I have a solution for you. So guys, without wasting our time, let's start the video right here, right now. All you need to do is you need another Instagram account, and you have to open this site called takipichihome.com. Just open this site takipichihome.com. It's in some other language, it's in Turkish. Just convert it into English on your Chrome browser and go on this option called login with Instagram. Here you have to enter your username. Just copy your username. So guys, basically this site works like you can send likes and you can send followers to your original Instagram account. I will show you right here, right now. Just put your username and password and click on login. Once it gets login, I'll show you what to do and how to do. So guys, here it is. This is the basic home page of this site. Now just like this, here you can see like submission tool. So I'm going to send likes on any account. Guys, look here, in your account you have 10 likes. You can send 10 likes, and guys, don't worry about that. I'll be giving you one idea by which you can send unlimited numbers of likes or followers to anyone's account. Like here it is. Suppose here it's showing 10 likes is there in an account. All you need to do is just copy the URL, like I'm going to here, and copy link address, and I will show you how many likes are there on this picture. There are 0 likes on this picture. Now I will go here and just paste the URL and click on find post. It will, like here you can see, it has found that post on which I have to send likes. Again, the page just changed it into Turkish language, converted it to English by changing your language right here. Look, here it's written start submission. Just click on start submission and it will take 10 to 15 seconds to submit likes on your post. Like here you can see the likes are going on this post, the URL that I have copied and pasted here. Guys, look, likes are going on that post. Wait for 15 to 20 seconds. All the likes will go on that post, and I will show you live example that how I got 10 likes from 0 likes. And guys, the trick I was talking about, that how you can get unlimited likes and followers on Instagram, is by using this simple trick. Is that you have to create few more bot accounts by which you can send unlimited likes and unlimited followers on your original Instagram account. Or other way is that you have to wait for a few minutes, and after a few minutes this likes and followers wallet will get refreshed and you will get extra points, and you can use those points to convert likes and followers on your Instagram account. Look here, already 8 likes have been sent. 2 more likes are going to be sent. Page is still refreshing. Wait for a few seconds. So guys, here as you can see, all 10 likes have been sent on your post. Now I'm going to show you live example. As you can see, there were 0 likes on this post. Now I will just refresh my page and I will show you live example that how I got likes on this post. Look, I have 20 likes. Guys, I have shown you 0 likes. Now I have 20 likes just by using that simple trick. So guys, just think how easy it is to get unlimited likes and unlimited followers on Instagram. So guys, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because I will be posting these kind of tips and tricks that are very cool and that are very useful to you. So guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.